G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Kia Cerato S Premium sedan, stock reference number 5606. This shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2016. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have this vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, sat nav, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.